Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain where you can see Shopify disputes. So let's get started. A dispute in Shopify typically occurs when a customer contacts their bank or credit card provider to challenge a charge from your store. This usually results in a chargeback or inquiry, where the bank temporarily pulls the payment from your account while they investigate. Disputes can happen for several reasons, such as the customer claiming they didn't receive the product, the item wasn't as described, or they don't recognize the transaction at all. As a store owner, it's crucial to respond to these disputes with the right evidence to protect your revenue and maintain trust with your payment provider. Now, to find and view disputes in your Shopify account, start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, go to the Orders section and click on the specific order that might be affected. If a dispute has been raised, you'll see a notification banner at the top of that order's detail page. Click on View Dispute to open the dispute summary, where you'll find all related details including the reason for the dispute, the disputed amount, the deadline for submitting a response, and the option to upload supporting documents such as tracking numbers, receipts, or communication history. You'll also receive an email from Shopify whenever a new dispute is initiated. Additionally, if you're using Shopify Payments, you can go to Settings, then Payments, and click on your payment provider to access a full list of ongoing or resolved disputes directly from there.